This is a display section. Here you can see the input voltage, output voltage, ampere, frequency, and two indication. One is for trip and another is for the healthy indication. Three keys are for the menu operation. The first key is the enter key. Second key is a shift as well as escape key. And third key is an incremental key. To enter into the menu, you have to enter key, where you will find enter password. You have to enter password 123. So increase the digit by incremental key, then shift to the next digit. Again you enter to the incremental key, which is 2, and last is a 3. After that, press enter key. You will come into the menu section where you will find output voltage, where you can change the output value. Then you can go to the next, which is a system kVA. You can change the system kVA with the help of this menu. You can change the system ampere, the output load current you can change with this menu. The output under voltage set value. So you can set the output under voltage level, you can set the output over voltage level, you can set input under voltage value, you can change the output over voltage value. You can see the fault history after entering into this particular menu. If you enter into this menu, you will find the different fault, last fault in this screen. We have provided 8 maximum value or 8 different faults. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you can see the 8 numbers of a fault in fault history. Here you can see the last fault was input under voltage, right? So in next section we'll see the updated history by generating certain faults. We'll go to the output voltage set menu, enter into this. You will find the output voltage 220. You can see here the output voltage, which is almost 220 to 22 volt. This is output voltage. And again, coming to this menu, we are increasing, we are changing the set value from 220 volt to 230 volt, right? Enter into this. You will find, want to change the output voltage, you have to press again that enter value. So you will see the output set value is 230 now, right? And the output voltage at terminal will be 230 volt. You can set output voltage from 200 volt to 250 volt, right? So you can select any value in between. Incremental step will be 1 volt. So you can set to 24 volt, to 27 volt, to 25 volt as per your requirement. I am again changing the value. After entering into this menu, every time entering into the menu, you have to enter 123 password to protect from the unauthorized use. Now I am changing 230 volt to 220 volt again. For this you have to select decremental key, right? Now it is 220, you have to enter again. It will ask whether you want to set it or not. You will set it, the output voltage. Here you can see again the output voltage is 220 volt.